Hello everyone, I'm Ernest Eyube. I'm the founder of Realistic Consults. I'm a brand strategist, a visual designer, a speaker, and a LinkedIn growth expert. So this is like an introduction to my channel and also for you to have the chance to know more about me. I live in Nigeria. I recently moved to Lagos State from Delta State, and I've been here for the past 1 year-ish. I recently got married to my wife September 6th. It was a lovely event. Maybe you would see her one day and definitely get to know more about us, I guess. So now moving forward, what do I do? So what I do, my company, we help brands grow their business online. This world, we live in a digital age whereby you need to be online. And if your business is not online, I don't know what you're doing. So we help you develop a strategy on how to stand out in the marketplace through branding and content strategy, brand strategy, and creating a content calendar and all other things that comes with it to help you grow your business. Not just grow your business, make sales. We'll teach you how to create an offer and many other things that comes with branding and marketing. So this channel is all about sharing my knowledge. I've been doing this branding stuff for the past 5 years plus, and it has been a good journey. I've worked with local businesses in Nigeria and also international businesses all around the world. I've worked with over 80 brands in the space of 5 years, and I've grown their businesses from ground to the top. So this is just an introduction, and what you really get from this, you definitely get value for your time. We'll create a lot of videos on branding, create a lot of videos on LinkedIn and how you can optimize the page, how you can make money from it. We'll talk more about marketing, creating offers. This is what you would get. It's a full package. I believe when you click on any video, definitely you would see results in your brand and also in your business. So thank you so much for your time. I would love if you subscribe, like, and share this video.